So how to change the keybinds for the AOC AGON AGM700 gaming mouse, meaning that you might want to change what a button does to change its function. First of all, you need to go on Google and search for AOC AGON AGM700 software. You will find this page, and from here you need to download the program called Gmenu and install it. So this is the program. You will need to select the mouse, and from the first tab here you will see customize. In the center you will see the mouse with all the buttons that can be reassigned. To give you an example, for the button 7, I've changed it to middle click, meaning that instead of clicking on the scroll to do a middle click, now I can just click on the button number 7 and it will do the same thing. So this will be much more comfortable, and also you'll protect the scroll click, so you won't press on it. Other than that, I've noticed that this program has a few other options. For example, for button 8, you can assign volume up, volume down, which can be useful. Instead of clicking on the speakers icon from Windows, it has a macro manager, meaning that you can create macros, for example, to record a delete button. So when you click on this button from the mouse, it will actually do a delete. You can change it to double click. I'm not sure how useful that will be. Text editor for working, copy paste. My computer you can or calculator if you use it often. So instead of just going to Windows and searching for the calculator, you just press the mouse button and it will open the calculator. So this can be useful. It's almost as good as the one from Razer. If you have this mouse, most likely you will want this program to install this program and set up your mouse. So this is how you can change the keybinds for this mouse. I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.